Oya. Anyway, see me hype malongo amesema niseme hivyo. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kaswi Cooks. Today we're gonna have some wine and today we are making lasagna. So yeah, let's get started. So we'll start by frying the onions. Aki smoky, nothing pitas you. Fry the onions. Until they're golden brown. I'll add in my crushed garlic paste. So let's fry until they are golden brown. Let's cover them for a minute until they're golden brown. Then we'll add the other stuff in. Yeah. Okay, we'll add in the capsicum, diced capsicum. Let them simmer for a minute so that they become tender and soft. Next will be tomatoes. These are blended tomatoes that I blend and then I put them in this tin. Add in some tomato paste. Stir. Then we can add in our spices. Tablespoon of paprika. Salt, tablespoonful. Turmeric, teaspoonful. Curry powder, teaspoonful. Okay, I like curry powder. What else am I missing? Oh, and black pepper. Then we'll let it simmer for a little. We add in our pre-cooked minced meat. Then we'll add some water. Then we'll let it simmer for a few minutes so that the meat is well cooked, ready to lay in the lasagna tray. We're gonna make the paste for the lasagna, so I'll use ricotta cheese. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. I'll use some cooking cream. I do want to use some milk. I'll mix it with cooking cream. Ew! For flavor, I'll add in some pepper. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Black pepper and some salt. Then we're gonna mix everything together. So let's get ready to line the pan. I'm gonna use a bread baking pan. Our meat is ready. I'll be using this lasagna pre-cooked with special spice. So let's start lining the pan. Second layer will be our minced meat. Then this is shredded mozzarella cheese will be our third layer. Then our lasagna sheet. And some more ricotta mixture. Some minced meat. Mozzarella cheese. Then the sheets again. Make it extra cheesy. These are still mozzarella sliced. We're gonna bake it for 40 minutes at 80 degrees heat.